Where's my baby? It's snowing, it's snowing. All right, let's go. We got a mission. Watch your brother. Look at your brother. You see those pants? It's amazing, right?
Oh, yeah.
Look, he's climbing the snow mountain. New York City blizzard 2022.
Yeah.
Ah.
Say the one.
Alright, let's go. Let's go to the thing, the park. What's up, boy? Big boy.
What's up?
Let me see. Let me see your face. Hey, don't take it. I mean, you're gonna get, like, don't get cold though. Let me see. Because the snow's gonna melt in your hair right now. And everything's gonna get wet.
I dropped my hat. Hey,
Yeah,
hey,
put
do you
on.
want a favor? Can I put my hat on?
I got you. Look, look, look. Make a snowball. Yeah, snowball.
Yeah.
Wow. Someone,
Yeah.
what's going on?
I'm gonna change for a sec.
Go ahead, take your time. That's why this thing, you always gotta come prepared. My hands are freezing. Woo! I even forgot my gloves. Just record us play. Woo! Ice.
So pretty.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm done. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to do your thing? Someone, you want to do the butterfly? Oh, you. Look at someone. Oh, Spidey. Spider-Man in the snow? What? Let me see. Wow.
Stop it!
I'm not because he's rubbing his face in the snow. Spidey,
What?
you still managed to play your dress-up game?
Welcome to my channel. Today we're playing with snow.
Well, we at someone.
At the park.
It was blizzard crazy, right?
Uh-huh.
Oh, look what he's doing. Oh, you look. See, now you match with everything. Now you're protected. You feel better? Come on. Look at Armand. Hi, baby. You having fun? Fun time. I wish I had off today. What are we having for food? D? What are we having for food?
We have chicken. The two old people.
The two old,
The
grumpy,
two maniac.
always fighting.
Look at him.
Look at him, hitting his bed now. He said, I'm from Russia. Oh, the jacket he got on is nice. You gotta be prepared. Oh, I don't even have my gloves, so cold. We should buy those thingy, right? The snowboards? Like the thing, what do you call that? Ski board? Or, I don't know what do you even call them.
Sled.
The sleds, okay. Hi, baby! Oh, yeah, Armand's good. Zipper, put a zipper on a little bit. Armand, look! Look at the camera. Look, they have a dinosaur. Yay! Yeah. Ah, it's so cold. Working machine. Yeah, today we're gonna surprise Salman with this. Yeah. We didn't take this out. It was in the closet for like, what, 2 years, I think? We're gonna go pick him up in his go-kart in the snow. Let's get it, New York. Yeah. Look.
Are you calling me?
Look what the baby does in his spare time. You see, your brother threw this in the toilet. Come here. You want ice cream? You want to play with snow? Come.
I'm already eating my beef jerky.
Look who came. What did you throw in the toilet, baby? Baby, what did you throw in the toilet? He feels guilty now. Oh, he's hiding. Run! I love you. Can you show us how you dance? Show us how you dance. Come. No, don't close the door. Come here. Yay! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bishtik. Alright, how about this? Show us how you punch. Punch. Psh. Kick. What happened? You sad that you're home? It's cold. It's so cold. We would have stayed longer. Okay, Daddy's going to work now. Bye. You don't want to go to work? You got your socks to go bye-bye? No more. It's too cold.
Why?
Tomorrow?
Why?
Tomorrow.
Why?
Kiss. Blow me a kiss first, like this. Like this. Socks. Or where's your boots? Yeah, your boots. Oh, you got both of your boots? Look, he knows how to put on his boots. Oh. That's wrong. The other one first. This one first. And let me help you. Let me see. I'm gonna help you just a little bit. There you go. This one. This leg first. $10 hours later. But he got it though. He knows how to put them on. Put it on. Show people how you put it on. He's tired. You know your mommy made you yummy, right? Yummy noodles? Yeah, go eat noodles, go. His favorite. He hears noodles and that's it. Armand's gonna have the ABC, what is that? What is that called, thing?
ABC meatball spaghetti.
Yeah, without the meatball though. Yeah, I'm excited to try the sugar-free pastry. I never tried sugar-free apple pie. Have you, AT?
Nope.
Me neither. Have I?
Is that even good for you? I think sugar-free stuff is really bad for you, but I'm not sure. Please comment down below. They're like tiny. Look, by comparison.
Can I try one?
Yeah, hold on. Go ahead.
It's only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right.
6 of them.
Come on this way.
I was right, there were 6 of them.
All right, try one.
Not bad.
Let me see. They good?
They're fine, but
Do they taste like apple pie?
oh,
Do you like apple pies?
not
We got the whipped cream though.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna try with the whipped cream. Let me try.
It's actually good.
Is it good?
It's good. They're pretty good.
Can I try the whipped cream?
Hmm?
Can I try the whipped cream?
Let's try the whipped cream, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's do it. The sugar-free wafers.
Yeah, this wafers.
Alright, let's put some whipped cream.
Actually,
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wait.
Try it.
should I try it?
Yeah, go ahead. How is it? Yummy? Mm. I'm gonna eat your piece. Was it mine or yours?
Yours.
Not bad.
It actually does taste like thing.
Apple pie?
Yeah, but you know the outside.
Nah, not really.
The outside that tastes like croissants.
Yeah, whipped cream doesn't have that much fat and stuff, so. They're sugar-free wafers now, for the first time. Try it?
Should I go?
Yeah. How's it?
It's good.
No, I don't know. I could taste the fakeness to it.
Yeah, the chocolate doesn't like. It doesn't taste bad, but I don't really like it.
Anyway, we're cutting down like too much sugary stuff. It's for me, but you too, sir. All right. Let me see your teeth. Is your baby teeth growing? E. Say E.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You go?
You busy? Are you busy? Organic fruit punch. We buy these pretty often, but look, it has a lot of sugar though. Look, 14 grams. Avoid these. Just get a juicer. We have a juicer. We barely use it though, but juice your own apples, right, someone?
Mhm.
Okay. See, our juicer got all like dusty and it's been sitting there for a while. We gotta clean this and put it to work. You hear me?
Okay.
I use this. It's not that good of a juicer, but it's alright. It does the job. Love sushi rice. Look at the grains. Amazon brand rice cooker. We had it for how many years now? Like 3 years, right? Someone?
2 years, I think.
It does everything. Boom. Sushi rice in a few minutes.
I love this.
You like sushi rice?
Yeah.
I like basmati rice. I like parboiled basmati rice. I like
I like sushi rice.
Galizia rice. I like.
I like sticky.
Baby, what are you doing over there?
I like sticky rice.
Let me see. Punch, punch, kick, kick. Wow, wow. Punch it. Fight it. Fight it. Fight. Go ahead.
Ew,
We would love chilies, so let's do it. We got some regular casamoris and jalapenos. What are you watching? Huh? Talk to you. Oh yeah, you don't want anyone next to you when your mom is with your mom, alright? Give me a kiss. I love you. I love you. Of truth. Let's see. We got a little bit, just to taste how it tastes.
Okay, let's try it.
Ah, is it hot?
It's good.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Take a bite of that chili.
This one. Get some more meat.
Spicy?
Mm-hmm.
Let me try some.
Yeah.
Try a little bit. Bismillah.
Tastes good?
I'm not gonna lie.
Tastes good?
I think it's amazing. It's really, really, really.
What? You ate the whole chili?
Yeah, I love it. Huh. Oh, you said it was just okay.
No, I said it was fun. I said it was good.
Mmm. I mean, pretty good, right?
Yeah, I like it. Not that bad.
So I put, you know what Daddy put in there? So only the mukbang food I make, but my wife makes the house food, which is dal, chicken curry, arkita, mas.
I like fish mostly, but I actually like this too.
Do you like milk, someone? It says organic. Are they really organic, you think? Yeah, let me try a little bit. Not try it. I want some. I want some. Look. Do you like chewing, you like biting those peppercorns? Well, we gotta get some Szechuan peppercorns, right?
Got some water?
Yeah. Hold up. Where then, baby? You want some rice? Come here. I'm gonna give Armand a little bit. Let me see if he likes it. How is it? Yummy? Spicy? Yummy? Yummy? Armand's gonna drink lemon water. Let me see.
Right?
Lemon water. Do you like it?
Wow.
Lemon water. Yeah, he likes it. Okay. Yummy. Clap. Clap. Good job. What are you watching? What are you watching? Always watching toy videos, right? Love you. Love you. It's freezing in New York today. Just walking to go to work. It's freezing. Right after the blizzard. Tomorrow I think it's gonna be even colder. Ooh. Got a coffee. I was like spending so much money on Starbucks. Even though I had the coffee machine in the house. But yeah, today I decided to save few pennies. The purchasing station. It's quiet. It's like 7:30 or 6. It's like 6 o'clock right now. It's like dead. Everybody's home watching Netflix. stand here, man. Even that's too close for New York. You gotta stand right in the middle, holding into the pole. Nice and warm. Beautiful over here. It's freezing.